How do everybody? Ryan Jackson here. I hope you're having just a wonderful day. We're going to keep on going in wiring devices, Article 406. We're going to talk about mounting of wiring devices today in 406.14. So let's take a peek at what Code Making Panel 18 has in store for us. Article 406, wiring devices, 406.14, mounting of receptacles. Receptacles in laundry areas must not be installed facing upward. So, 406.14g gives a couple of locations where you cannot have an upward-facing receptacle. Number one is in or on countertops or work surfaces, unless listed for them. I remember back when I was wearing tools, when this was the only prohibition, was countertops and work surfaces. And it only applied to dwellings, believe it or not. So if this was like at a hotel or something and they had an outdoor, it could be installed face up. And fortunately, they changed that, I don't know, maybe 10, 12 years ago, I think, to where it applies to all occupancies, which it probably should have all along. So receptacles are not allowed facing upward in or on countertops or work surfaces unless listed for them. They're also not allowed to be facing upward beneath a sink. Give me a break, right? There's no reason why you should have an upward-facing receptacle underneath your kitchen sink that's going to be dripping on it and everything else. And now item 3, not allowed to be facing upward in laundry areas, unless listed for work surfaces or countertops as applicable. Now, I'm not exactly sure what the full intent, what the discussion behind the scenes was on this change. I think if you're in a laundry room and you have a work surface, a countertop, which is fairly common, then indeed those receptacles should not be facing upward. But what if you have one of those surface-mounted receptacles for the dryer? You know what I'm talking about? The black kind of tombstone-shaped device that is for surface mounting and has the receptacle. Do people ever install those face up underneath the dryer? I don't know. I've never seen that, but that's really not a popular installation practice where I live. But, maybe that's common where you do. Put a note in the comment section if that's something that happens in your area. I don't know if that was the target of this change or not. Maybe it was, maybe it should be. To me, I can't think of any good reason to have a receptacle facing upward in just about any application. I'm sure there's some, and if it's listed for it, then great. But there you go. Maybe it changes the way you wire buildings. I think for the most of us, we're all just kind of roll our eyes and say, all right, So anyway, there you go. No more face-up receptacles in the laundry area. All right. We got one more video to talk about specifically with receptacles, and that's going to be tamper-resistant receptacles in 406.26. That's the subject of the next video. I look forward to seeing you then, and as always, please be safe out there. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time.